Let's talk about lighting. Lighting, we're going to use natural light from this window over here today, but lighting is everything about photography and video work. You can't do it without it. You think you could film something in a black closet? Nope, you can't. So we have reflectors to help us with that. And if you don't have any LED lights or flash or anything, you just use natural light. These are going to help. All right. So this one is a 5-in-1. Gold and silver on one side and silver on the other. And on the inside we have, here we go, a little gold, okay, and white. And so that's 4. And then a diffuser, which can be used as a bounce light as well, a reflector. So let's start with mod here. We'll get a light her up with natural light, like I say, coming from this window. And we're going to experiment here, see which is going to be best. Let's start with the silver side. Since her dress is kind of silver, we'll just kind of highlight that, maybe her face a little bit. My preference is the silver and gold side. So that really makes it nice on the face and still highlights the dress on mod here. All right, let's move on. All right, so I've switched these around. Now we have the white side and the solid gold side. And the gold is very reflective. If you want to use the gold side, I'm not sure what you'd use it on. Maybe a swimsuit issue of Sports Illustrated. I'm not sure. Anyway, let me show you what this looks like when we bounce the light back into mod. And it just doesn't match. It won't match the other side at all. It doesn't come close. It maybe looks good on some wardrobe. All right, maybe that's what we can use it for. We're going to use the white side now, which is probably the most neutral side. And that's going to be real nice light balance depending on how you use it. So I've hooked this up here. One more thing. Remember I showed you inside here is a diffuser. Well, what if there's a lot of sunlight coming in? Today we have a cloudy day, so it's very diffused already, but let's just say there was some sunlight coming in. Mod is lit way too much. So we might want to diffuse the light that's coming in, which is this. I'm not going to take this one up because I have another one. We'll use this bad boy right here, and I'm going to show you what the difference is. There's diffused. There's not. There's diffused. Now you can also use a shower curtain to diffuse. Okay, so shower curtains are a couple of bucks at the dollar store. Let's take a shot of this and see what she looks like. So that's an easy breezy 5-in-1 reflector diffuser kit, and they're relatively inexpensive. So get yourself one and practice, and that's all it takes is some practice. And you can actually hand hold some of these while you're shooting if you're really good at it. So hold it right here, and let me get some light. Let me catch some light right here, and snap away. All right, subscribe, like, and happy shooting.